This video shows you how to say I know, I don't know, I understand, I don't understand. Do you know? Do you understand? In Japanese. There's a few different ways of saying I know or I understand in Japanese.
知ります。知っています。知りません。わかります。わかりました。わかりません。
These are some of the words we use to talk about knowing or understanding. The Japanese verbs shirimasu and wakarimasu are used a bit differently than the same verbs in English. So let's take a look at each one, along with some examples. First, shirimasu.
知ります。
Shirimasu means know in the sense of learn a new fact or gain new knowledge. So if you want to say I know or do you know, you're not going to use the verb in this form. So let's get rid of it. To be able to say I know, you have to use the te imasu form.
知っています。
This means I know, and you can use it when you already know something. When you want to ask somebody if they know something, or about something, you ask,
知っていますか？
To say that you don't know, say,
知りません。
here's an example.
この本を知っていますか？
知っています。
知りません。
わかります。
Wakarimasu means understand, grasp something, or get something. When you want to ask someone if they understand what you're saying or what you're trying to explain, say,
わかりますか？
when you already get what someone's saying or what they're trying to explain, say,
わかります。
You can also say wakarimasu when you want to show that you feel the same way about something.
わかりました。
Wakarimashita is what you say when you get it or when you've figured something out. And if you really have no clue, or if you just don't get it, say,
わかりません。
Also, you can say wakarimashita when you want to show that you understand what someone's asking or telling you to do, and that you will do it.
はい、わかりました。
So, next time you're having a chat in Japanese, try using
知っています。わかります。知っていますか？わかりますか？